grab something else.
Okay. This is the elevator at Shop at State in Cranberry, Pennsylvania. Say Schindler. The indicator's dead, so we're gonna watch the button go out. Whoa. Go up to 2. Classic, re-leveled. Door close button does not work before the, as we all know in Schindler's, door close button does not work before the 3300 era. Get a cat view. Just your basic Schindler elevator, nothing fancy. HT regular, hands-free ADA phone, 2,500 pounds capacity, and there's your control panel, that's your dead floor indicator. I'm gonna watch the door close now. There it goes, and that's it.